So this particular phase, this first phase will be your phase if you are not already logging. So here will be for people that have not logged in. So this is just the home page where you can click on start shopping and you'll be redirected to this page. This page is the public home of the mobile app. You can see here we have create your account. After the creating, create your account. But why in this other phase, we have the name of the user. So, but they consist of the same function here. So we have the same functions here, the same design. So the difference there is this particular person here, this account is logged in, why this is not logged in. So let us log in this account. Here you'll be able to have access to some things here, like the logout button. So if you click on the let's go to profile, and you see there's a profile here. This is my profile here. Why here if you click on profile on this account that is not logged in, it show you an empty state that you don't have an account yet. So here you can log in or you can get started by creating an account, and you go to notification here to tell you no notification for guests. Or here if you go to notification, it will tell you no notification yet, but you are logged in. So here if you go to the cart section, to tell you your cart's empty, start shopping on Big City by getting an account. But here if you click on your cart section, you'll be able to tell your cart is empty, and there will be this checkout button here to check out your products because you are logged. So you can go, let's go back to the home section and let us go back to the same home section. So home sections for all users, either you are logged in or not. So now here you can click on create your account to start to create an account. Here you don't have to create your account because you already created one. So let us quickly create an account here. So let me close this button so we can focus on this particular one. So let us focus on this page now. We are trying to create an account here. So the name of the account should be Olaoluwa. So Olaoluwa Joy. So let's put this phone number. This Gmail Enoch. And let us use the Gmail as the password. And you can also click on the eye icon. It's working perfectly. So that is a good user experience. So you can also accept terms and conditions. We will also implement a function where user will be able to read the terms and conditions. As I said earlier, this application is still under development. So we can now sign off here using the sign up button. So now we are already sign up successfully, and now we need to select our language and country by clicking here. So we will be redirected to where we're going to select our country and language. So here you can search. This search bar is working, so you can search for any country that you want. Actually, the country was added manually, not automatically fetched. So I can add as many country as I want to add. So I choose Canada as my country, and I choose French as my language. I can also search for languages too. It's Chinese here. So if I search for friends, it's gonna show me. It's gonna show me. Sorry, it's gonna show me what's French. I mean, yeah. Let me check for French. So if I check for the Chinese I selected the other time, it's going to be selected. So can you see it? It is still selected. We are using local storage to do this function. So here now, so far we've selected Chinese and we've selected Canada as our country. We can click on save to save it on our database category. So we are all done. We have created accounts for our Joy. So now let us start shopping. So now we can see that we now have the name of the login user here. So this is Olaoluwa account. So now Olaoluwa will be able to have access to his cards with the checkout button. So now let us add a product to Olaoluwa cart. So now let us add actual supply product. This is a beautiful lady. Check her out on LinkedIn. Her name is the Wester. She's an accountant. Yeah, very good accountant. So let me select a size. I can select different sizes. This is small, medium, and different sizes. And I can also select different color. So let me select the orange Garium color. So this is the product, and these are the reviews of the products. We're going to increase the products by using the increase button, and we can also decrease the products by using the decrease button. And you can see that the product price is also updating immediately we increase or we decrease. You cannot decrease more than one. We can only decrease more than one. We cannot decrease. It cannot decrease less than one. Sorry. So if all these things, all these sizes and colors are not selected, this button will not be activated. So now if we select this and select this, that's when this button is going to be activated. So let us add to carts now. So we have added the product name and the quantity to our cart. So let's visit our cart page to check these products. Okay, let us refresh to get the state of our carts. Fine, this is our cart. You can see the color we selected and the size we selected and the quantity. You can also increase the quantity here. You can see the price are also changing. This is the best e-commerce websites ever created on LinkedIn. So you can use the checkout button. I will not click on the checkout button because I'm not ready to purchase this product. It is too expensive. Actually, the checkout button is not working for now. Kill me. So now let us go back to our home section. Now we can add as much product we want. So we can use the delete button. The delete button is working perfectly. So if I click on the delete button, the product is gone. So let me go back to the home page to add more products. So I want to add 3 products. So this is the first product I'm adding. So if I click on the size and the color, that's when this button is activated. So we add this to the cart. Okay, we have an error here. Function reunion call with invalid data, key value with invalid data. Unsupported field of value undefined found in document user. Okay, there is a particular error using on our already new function that we use on our backend. So let me refresh and try this again. If it is not working, so I will need to fix that. So let me. Okay, so let us go to our code to fix this error. So this particular component is the category is the pro details. So let me just go to a pro details. So these are the where where we are displaying our products before we add them to cart. So now, we are using the add to cart button to put the button to put the product in our cart. So let us check for the add to cart button. So that's where we're going to troubleshoot. So let me check for add. So this is the button here. So this is the button and this is the function we are calling. So you're trying to get the user, get the current user. So okay, so here we are doing we need to remove it is add is not part of this thing. So let us go back to the code and let us try this again. So let me refresh and let me try this code again one more time. So I selected this and I selected this and the button is activated and I have the cards. Perfect. So now we added a day to our cards. So let us visit the cards. Now let us refresh to get the card state. So now this is added to our beautiful cards. So now let us go back and add more products and let's see how the cards will look like when we add more and more and more products. So let me add this to let me set this more size and the color. Let me choose another color here. So let me choose these after cards. So it's on to added to cards. So if I refresh now, we see the second product. So I can also decrease or increase these and actually the product the price tree is updating and I'm doing that. So let me add one more product so that we have 3 products. I want to show you something. So let me add one more product. See, look at this. Actually, you can view more pictures of the products actually, okay, down on the machine. But that's not what I want to show you. Instead, color. And let me select the size of extra large and let me add to cards. So look how I'll show you. After this, it didn't show you something. Okay, let me refresh and get the card button. Do you know that these 3 products here, we sum everything up to get this price? Yes, yeah, that's possible. You are wondering, uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Yeah, that's true. So we can delete products and we can delete any product we want. So we can let me refresh and we see that we have just only one product here because we created it two. So we added cart functionality to upload to our e-commerce website. So this e-commerce website is almost fully ready. So this search button to search for product is already working. So let me search for this product here, this roller rabbit product. So if I search for roller rabbits, so it's going to give me roller rabbits. If I search for Adewi, it's going to show Adewi. This is it here. So this is automatically fetched from this is our Firebase backend. This is our user. The other Joy that we created the other time. She's here. Olaoluwa Joy. Let me check. It's very hard when you are checking for a user on this because there is no way to search. You need to be checking each user ID until you get the user you are looking for. So who is this? I think okay, this is Adewi developer. This is another account. So I'm looking for Olaoluwa Joy. Olaoluwa Joy. Okay, let me check the last. It is not the one that I keep up. It's not the one. Actually, Olaoluwa Joy is here. So this is where the product is coming from. So these are the products that we have. We have just 3 products. This is the product ID, and these are the product category, images, and all those stuff. The color, the variations. You also have the video URL. So we're going to be adding videos to the product. So users so that our shoppers can watch video of the product before they actually purchase the product. So here is where the product pictures are. So these are this is an array So you can also store array in your database Firestore. So the Firestore database, so this is very lovely. So these are our categories and these are our notifications and other stuff. This is where our backend is being managed. So this is I also use Figma for my design. So you can see this delete button. We also have it here on our cards. If you check our cards, if you see this delete button, this particular delete button, let me zoom. Let me see now. Okay, I can zoom this thing. I don't even know I can zoom it. So this particular button, this is it. I designed it Figma. So that is it. This is our code here. And where is it? Okay, this is the code. This is the biggest thing. So that is just what I want to show you guys. This is what we are building for now. And once we are done, we will update you guys on LinkedIn. I love LinkedIn for it. I love LinkedIn for it. So someone said this button is not working. This button is working. Look, it's working. How did I even implement this function? Let me show you how I implement this C function. So this is where I implement that function. So this particular component is called the category. So let us check for the category. So we have a lot of components here. So a good look scattered some sorry. So here cards components. Let me check for the cards category. Okay, is it here the top cards? So we have the bottom here. So let me go to the product list. So the product list, I don't know. I'll just search for the product list automatically. So this is the product list. So yeah, we are using scroll to to get the to get where our users are our users want to I didn't know. Forgot. Well, our user wants to scroll to sorry. So this is the scroll function. Yeah. So we're trying to get if our users are scrolling to the left or they are scrolling to the right. So using the scroll ref dot current. So this is how we're going to we implement that button functionality where you can scroll like this and like this. So what we are just doing here is going to make by minus 200 and going to the left plus 200 the behavior ops. So either you scroll by function, filled by velocity. I know we are familiar with something like this. It's very simple which it implements. So this is how we are fetching the categories. I think this is the first time I'm showing my code base on LinkedIn. Okay, I will show you more things. And I'll be teaching you guys how I don't really know how to teach. I would have launched a course on the all these things. So this is how I check my my websites, my code on my mobile phone. So I deploy it to Fastcell using Fastcell code Fastcell / prod. So this is going to deploy the code to my Fastcell project. So if I click on this Fastcell link, it will be able to I will be able to preview the code or the full websites on my mobile phone on that URL. So that is lovely. Thanks to Fastcell for providing that kind of functionality. It is like of most of all developers. So I am ideally in a mobile app and website dev. I am pretty good at mobile application. So this is building. I don't know if we are going to wait for it to build. So I just want to show you that once it's built, okay, now we are done building. So I can check let me click on this. So let me open this. So this is our website. So it's with this link, I can preview it on my phone. So if I want to share the link to you guys on LinkedIn. I'll just paste you this link and you'll be able to have access to this. You can see how easy this is. Holy moly. So let me show you the workings. So can you see everything we have on these things also here on this? So you can create your accounts like put it again. So you know your accounts get other stores. And you can also log in. So you end the you just log in your accounts here. And you can stay logged in forever. That's just a fucking joke. You cannot stay logged in forever, bro. Actually, if you reload your website, your mobile app, you will still stay logged in. Okay, that one is normal thing. It's our stupid game. So that's all about the code for now. More updates is coming. Just keep on. Any chill.